In this video, I will show how to convert your Excel data into PDF. So, firstly, in the page layout, select the size like A4. So, make sure your data is included in this worksheet. So, manage according your page size, or you can change the orientation to get your data properly. So we can see now we have this complete data in this A4 size. Now file and export, and here click on create PDF, save it on your desktop or anywhere and publish. File and export, click on create PDF or XPS, here select PDF and save. You can select standard publishing or minimum size, then click on publish. Or click on save as, select where you want to save it like desktop, then here select PDF, then save it. Give any name, select the location where you want to save it like desktop and save it. So we can see we have this PDF file converted from Excel file. Thanks for watching.